Baby oils help to moisturize the skin, glow the skin, and also soften the skin. Baby oils help to lock in moisture into the skin, thereby preventing the skin from experiencing dryness. And guess what? Baby oils are not only meant for babies. Baby oils can also be used by adults. So how safe is baby oil for your skin? How effective is it? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Returning subscribers, thank you so much for your regular support. I love and appreciate you all. The new subscribers, welcome to the channel. If this is your very first time of seeing my lovely face, my name is Eno and you're welcome to my channel. So on today's video, we're going to be talking about baby oil. So what are baby oils? Baby oils essentially consist of two major ingredients, mineral oil and fragrance. Now this mineral oil is extracted or derived from crude oil. It has been highly refined and purified such that it is non-toxic. That is the reason why it can be applied on baby skin, because it is non-toxic. It is not going to harm the baby. It is not going to irritate the baby's skin. Now if you notice, baby skin are always smooth, soft, and always glowing. Naturally, baby skins are soft and smooth, but if it is not maintained, then the baby skin will become rough, become dry, and start having different kind of reactions. And that's the reason why baby oils are formulated to help moisturize the baby skin, to make sure that the baby skin remains well moisturized, soft, smooth, and always glowing. And also baby oils are also used on baby's hair as well. So also, if you are someone that has a dry skin, or you have a dull skin, your skin is not glowing, your skin is not bright, or maybe you have a thick lotion and you're thinking of mixing the lotion with the oil, but you are confused about which oil to use that will not irritate your skin or have a negative reaction on your skin, baby oil is a very good choice. Baby oil is a very good choice, because if you have a dry skin or you have a dull skin, adding baby oils to your skincare routine will really help to improve the appearance of your skin. It will help to smoothen your skin, it will help to glow your skin, it will help to moisturize your skin. Baby oil locks in moisture to the skin, thereby preventing the skin from drying out. It performs the function of occlusives. It helps to retain moisture on your skin. If you apply your moisturizing lotion, the way I use baby oil, after applying my moisturizer, then I apply the baby oil to help lock in the moisture. Okay, so if you are looking for an oil to mix into your lotion, you can use the baby oil. And also, if you have a dull skin, you can add baby oils into your skincare routine to help to improve the appearance of your skin. You can also apply baby oil on your face, although you have to be very careful. Okay, there are some precautionary measures that you have to take if you want to use baby oil on your face. I'll be talking about it at the end of the video. So other uses of baby oils: you can use baby oils to take up makeup from your face. You can use baby oil to massage your feet. If you have your feet, you have cracked heels or you have dry foot, you can use baby oil from time to time to massage your feet or your cracked heels. It will help to heal it and improve the appearance of your heels and your feet. And then also you can use baby oil for your lips. Personally, I do add baby oil to my lip scrub. Whenever I make my lip scrub, I add baby oil to it. Okay, so what are the uses of baby oil for hair? Can you use baby oil for your hair? Yes, you can use baby oil for your hair. If you watch my video where I reviewed baby Johnson oil, if you want to watch that video, the link will be in the description box, where I reviewed baby Johnson oil. I use baby Johnson oil for my hair. So you can use baby Johnson oil to massage your scalp. You know, it helps to keep your scalp hydrated. You can also use baby oil to massage your hair. If you're someone that you have a dry hair, or your hair is always not looking organized, like there are some hair that when you look at it, you know it's not organized. You try to organize the hair and keep it in one place, but the hair is very stubborn. You can use baby oil on your hair. Okay, it helps to improve the appearance of your hair. It gives your hair a shiny look. Before you use baby oil on your face, you need to do a patch test first, because if you're someone that has an acne prone skin, if you use baby oil on your face, it will give you breakouts. You get breakouts. It will clog your pores and thereby giving you breakouts. If you have a sensitive skin, you need to do a patch test before using baby oil, because baby oil contains fragrance, and fragrance are one of the things that irritates sensitive skin. I'll be making a video about things you should not put on your skin if you have a dry or sensitive skin. Okay, so fragrance is one of the things that irritates sensitive skin. So before you apply baby oil on your sensitive skin, be sure to do a patch test so that you don't irritate your skin, because when your skin is irritated, you start seeing different kinds of reactions from your skin. Your skin is trying to tell you that, what did you put on me? What's that? What did you put on me? Don't try it again. No, don't put it again. No. So, and another thing you need to be mindful of is that all baby oils may not be compatible with your skin. Personally, if I'm to buy a baby oil, I will either buy Johnson&Johnson baby oil or baby Cusson oil, because I've once used baby Cusson oil to make carrot oil. Cusson baby oil, I don't know if I'm right, to make carrot oil, and it turned out nice. I used it on my skin and it was okay. And I've also used Johnson&Johnson oil. So these two oils, I have used them and found out that they are compatible with my skin. There was no reaction, there was no irritation. Okay, I'm not saying that other baby oils are not good. I'm just saying that these are the oils that I have used on my skin, and my skin was comfortable with it. You need to, if you use a baby oil and it's compatible with your skin, stick with it. Don't start changing from one oil to another. Okay, some of the baby oils that you can try are Johnson&Johnson oil. I did a review about it, like I said before. The link will be in the description box. And you can use baby Cusson's oil, Cusson baby oil. You can also use baby Pears oil. You can also use To You baby oil, and okay, I'll be leaving a list of them and pictures. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you have a question, please leave it for me in the comment section. If you have used any of these oils on your skin, on your adult skin, and it turned out nice, please leave a comment for us. And also, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.